Welcome. In this video, you will see Python errors and built-in exceptions. Python raises exceptions when it encounters errors. For example, divided by 0. You learned about different exceptions that are built in Python. When writing a program, we more often will encounter errors. We will solve it by using different methods. I have some built-in exceptions in my file. Illegal operation can raise exceptions. There are plenty of built-in exceptions in Python that are raised when corresponding errors occur. Let's see it one by one. Assertion error. It is raised when assert statement fails. Attribute error. It is raised when attribute assignment or reference fails. EOF error. It is raised when the input function hits end of the file condition. Floating point error. It is raised when a floating point operation fails. Generator exit. It is raised when a generator close method is called. And so on. Lots of built-in exception in my file, as you can see here. Like all these exceptions will be handled. Let's do it practically. Open the terminal, run the command Python, and you can see that Python interactive shell is open now. Let's see divide 1 divided by 0, which is not possible. Dividing by 0 division error has been displayed here. Let's open one file named file.txt. As you can see that my file does not exist. So it will print input-output error. Now I am trying to import the package which does not exist. Then it will print the module error. As I'm showing, if my syntax is error, then it will print the syntax error. These all are how the error occurred and handled. That's it in this video on Python errors and built-in exceptions. Thank you for watching this video.